Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about. Hello friends, let us now learn the differential diagnosis of central stellate scar. So where do you see central stellate scar? Central stellate scar is seen in focal nodular hyperplasia. It is seen in fibrolamellar variant of hepatocellular carcinoma. It is seen in focal nodular hyperplasia. Fibrolamellar variant of hepatocellular carcinoma. It is seen in serous cystadenoma of pancreas. It is seen in serous cystadenoma of pancreas, and it is also seen in renal oncocytoma. Thank you for watching. Thank you and thank you for watching.